Hey guys, I'm back today with a delicious recipe for protein muffins. These beauties are perfect for a deliciously wholesome breakfast and they're portable. For this recipe, I've partnered with Bob's Red Mill, a longtime supporter of my work in this channel and on my blog. Bob's Red Mill carries wholesome, high-quality products that I keep in my pantry at all times to make my favorite everyday recipes. Now, this protein muffin is the result of your request for more healthy breakfast options. And with the added pea protein and no gluten or grains, this is one muffin I can feel really good about eating any morning of the week. The first thing I'm going to do is to combine my almond flour, baking powder, and vanilla protein powder in this large bowl. I particularly like using pea protein powder in baked goods because it holds its texture and you don't get that hockey puck for a muffin. With added probiotics and chia seeds, this protein is a great option. Speaking of protein, check out my protein lunchbox cookie and the gingerbread cookies, which I'll link right below this video. So as you can see, these muffins were next. I'm also using fine almond flour in this recipe, so if you want to know how to make this nut-free and for the measurements, I'll include a link to the recipe details right below the video. Next, I'm adding some canned pumpkin. This adds moisture to our muffins and terrific flavor. If you don't have canned pumpkin, a large mashed, very ripe banana, about a cup, will work as well. Oh, I almost forgot. I'm going to add some pumpkin spice to these muffins, but cinnamon alone will work great too. Then we add our eggs, honey, and some water. Let's mix this to combine and our batter is ready. I'm gonna fill 8 muffin cavities with this batter. I like my muffin to get those muffin tops, so that's why I like them nice and full. Now, a little note about baking with almond flour. When you first take these out of the oven, the muffins might seem a little wet, but as long as your toothpick comes out clean, you're good to go. Baking them a little longer will dry them out and burn your muffins. In the oven they go for 24 minutes until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. This place smells amazing. I'm gonna let these cool down for a minute so I can show you what they look like inside. If you wanna pack them to go, just serve them along with some fruit and you've got a delicious portable breakfast right on hand. For the recipe, click on the link right below this video. To find out more about Bob's Red Mill line of ingredients, visit bobsredmill.com for more recipes like this one, browse to his YouTube channel, and subscribe. See you next time.